Hello, lovely people. Today, I received a parcel. Don't you just love when you receive fabric parcels? And it's from Fabrics for All. La, 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 la. Now, I can't remember exactly what I got in here because this was a late night purchase. Yes, it was. And I kept on editing my basket before finally paying. Always be careful. I once snipped into fabric accidentally a long time ago, so I've learned to be patient. But yeah, what's really awesome about Fabrics for All at the moment is that they do free postage and packaging. Ooh, we got flowers. I can already see some flowers. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay. Ooh, wee. Got another sticker. Oh, I almost don't want to destroy this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's more pink. More pink. Oh. Come to mama. Come to mama. Oh. Wow. Look at this. It's a cotton jersey. No, it's not. It's terry. It's a French terry. It's a French terry. I think it is a French terry because it's got this background here. Okay. Yes, I think it's definitely more like a French terry because, as you can see, it's not stretching out that much, but hello summer, hello summer. I'm ready and I'm waiting. Oh, I love this. How much did I get of this? I think, oh, less. I like small shops for that because they do these little handwritten things. Right. But look at that. Oh, what are you going to be? Honestly, I have no idea what these are going to be, by the way. I just, you know, when you're stuck in bed and you're recuperating and you're trying not to get into a funk, you buy pretty fabric. So this, it's really busy, but I felt that it had such a kitschy chic to it, or kitschy chic, whichever way it's called, but very chintzy. Can you see that? Oh, those prints. So I think I was a bit umming and ahhing about this one, but then when I saw this print here, this woman, I was like, yeah, and she's talking to a parakeet. This is what made me fall for it. In the middle of the night, this is really beautiful. So this is a cotton jersey. As you can see, we've got way more stretch, and we can see the knit stitches. Oh, I need to do my nails. Yeah, manicure is done. But yeah, this is so beautiful. What are you gonna be? What was I thinking when I got you? Oh, so beautiful. Okay. Oh, this has got the most amazing texture. I love that. I love the way the little raised dots just feel. It's very ASMR, but this is a Dobby fabric, cozy fabric. I'm just gonna do myself this one. I know what I'm gonna make with it. This is just gonna be like a, you know, a sexy little slip dress, one that I can, just wear around the house in the evening after the kids have gone to sleep. It's a little bit translucent, just a little bit, I think. No, it isn't. You can see my I thought it was going to be some sort of a blouse, but it's very light weight and it feels so good on the skin. It just feels really nice. But as you can see, the texture is only on the one side. It's not on the other side. But it almost looks like a gauze, but not quite as loose as a gauze. Yeah. This is wonderful for summer, and it's pink as well. Lovely. Very lightweight. Can't wait to see what you're going to become, little one. Oh, I got this one because I knew that this wasn't going to last long. It was one of her new ones on the site. And this is a terry. This is a French terry. Look at that. It's got, you see, so smooth, feels so good. But look, flowers, roses and roses. So this French terry, we don't have as much stretch on that grain. There's a bit more stretch along the straight grain actually. So this is straight grain, but this is cross grain, right? I love this. So this is Flower Garden digital collection designed for you by Poppy. Be interesting to find out more about this. So I love this. I love this fabric so much. What is this gonna be? Oh, it's nearly matching my nails. Oh, how wonderful. But this is the embodiment of what I'm trying to create in my garden. Just having all of these flowers popping out against the green background. Oh, love it. And it's got, this one looks like a hydrangea amongst the tea leaves. I have no idea what this is going to be, but then we have the Dobby, and then we have, this is more yellow, isn't it? It's more sunshiny, more poppy, I think. And finally, Le Fleur. Oh, come to me, my preciouses. Imagine making something with all of these prints. That would be very maximalist, I think. Well, that's it for today. This is my exciting fabric haul from Fabrics for All. I ordered these. I bought these, I think it was 3 days ago, and they've arrived today, which is pretty awesome. Oh, is there anything more beautiful than matching threads? There is nothing more beautiful than matching threads. I am converted to buying matching threads because it's one less it's one less job to do trying to find a matching thread. So here we go, just put you on there, and then I'm just gonna leave you here so I can enjoy the sight of this. Have you done any fabric shopping recently? Until next time, lovely people, happy sewing. Bye.